I have seen too many people do this, and I always feel so bad for them when they do. And the last one is giving up too early. This is not a get rich quick business. This is not a short-term thinking business. This is a real business like anything else. It will take time to get results. There will be massive failures you will face and challenges you will face, and that failures and challenges will never end. It will just be a new part of your life in this business or as any business. Most of you are coming from like your 9 to 5, your corporate structure, traditional working life. And running a business as an entrepreneur is something that's very, very different. And that means you're gonna face challenges and go through emotional ups and downs that you've never experienced in your life before. You will have to learn and develop new skills that you didn't even think existed before. You will have to shed your old self, let that person die, and become someone new in order to succeed in this business. And as scary or as crazy as that sounds, that's what it takes to survive in business. And that's what KDP is. It's a business. You might not get any results for 12 months. All you might do for 12 months is publish books and lose money. And I might be the only person on YouTube who will tell you that and still try to sell you a course, because I actually care about your success, because I want you to understand what you're getting into. I have books right now that I published 3 years ago that have made absolutely no money over the last 3 years and are now making $300 to $400 a day. Could you imagine if I gave up after a year of them not doing anything, right? I wouldn't be able to have the success that I'm having now. So that is such an important thing. When you're starting this business, you have to commit to it. You have to understand that you will fail, you will fall flat on your face, you will stress out over money, you will risk it all, because it's a business that you will make 6 figures in like that. There are people who make 6 figures a month like that. And it is, I think, the easiest business for new publishers or for new people to get into. It is the one that can show you some of the fastest returns. I did talk about you might be making no money for 12 months, but you also might be making money in 30 days, right? It's this and everything in between. I have seen it both ways. This story I tell people on calls with me all the time. This girl, her first book, her first month, $10,000 in sales. Insane. Suraj, 18 months to write his first book and it flopped. But now he does between $60,000 to $70,000 a month all these years later. I've seen everything in this business in the 9 years that I've been doing this. And the one thing I can guarantee you, if you follow the program, you publish quality books, you keep learning, you ask good questions, and you don't quit, you are guaranteed success in this business.